They say that the IPOB don't send the men of ESN to Enugu State, a place where Enugu governor are planning to give to Fulani herdsmen for ranching. No be small thing though, as that one dey happen. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army don't buy more than 20 Nigeria army and police. No be small thing though, as that one again dey happen. This Biafra Liberation Army commander wey they call Holy Ghost don come outside. They come talk say that all this hardship wey Nigeria dey go na money wey dey take go buy weapon wey they want take up buy them for inside bush. However, let's go and look how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today na the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring updates back to back as e dey hot. Please share this video and make sure say they follow this page for more updates as e dey hot. Here we dey here, they bring anything wey dey happen for inside Nigeria, for inside Biafra land, and for inside Africa. My wonderful people, they say that the IPOB don't deploy the men of ESN so that they go stop the governor of Enugu from giving the land belongs to Biafrans to Funanis. No be small thing, you know, and that one go red for that place. I don't know why all these things where they happen. The Igbo refuse to learn. How can you give people who are not ready to develop the land rather to mess it up safe? So, but however, the community in Enugu State have rejected the proposal to the governor by taking their land for ranching. So, and the community is also protesting against this by the government. They have warned the government not to give an inch of their land to Funanis because they are not there to develop but to commit their daily kidnapping and also destroying their neighborhood. However, things it go red for Enugu. But however, let's jump into the next Ogbonge news where we still get for hand today. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army don't buy 20 police and army for inside Osumo recently as it dey hot. Oh, things dey happen. I'm going to play this video. May you hear waiting this Biafra Liberation Army review for here that the money where Tinubu and the government supposed to use grow Nigeria economy, they use them buy some kala where they want to come buy them for inside bush. Watch this video before we come back. Come continue.
I'm here to do so. How not there? Today there was no battle today. No battle today. As I told you that I'm tired. That I'm tired. I've told you that I'm tired because of changing. I'm tired because of changing. I'm tired because of, you know, their eyes have been blind. Their informants have been captured. And because their informants have been captured, they are weak. They could not proceed any longer. I'm here this evening to tell you that you will keep losing. As long as this war concerns you, will keep losing. You keep losing because you can never win and you will never able to win. You keep losing because it is our right. This evening, It's a wonderful evening. But let me tell you something you do not know. As I told you that. To you, you might be thinking it's a joke. We are playing as usual. Just the same way Góvt say, Arimin, he knows he couldn't have spent much money for war. He could have used the money to bribe Igbo man. Because you try Nnamdi Kanu with a lot of money. Will you be able to convince him? Things you don't know is bigger than you. The problem you cannot solve is Biafra. Biafra is the equation you can never solve over your dead body. You can never solve it. Biafra is the equation you will never in your entire life be able to solve. And when we tell you, you think we are joking. Your mind keep deceiving you. The criminal among us keep deceiving you. Those who were born as a criminal, who will die as a criminal, they keep deceiving you. Give me money, I will do this, I will convince them, I will defeat them, and you keep fooling yourself. Biafra is indefeatable. The money you give to the informant among us, is that money not wasted? The war you did not win. Tunumbu, the money you gave Hope to ensure that he stopped this struggle, is he able to fulfill that part? No, but the money is gone. He have used the money he could have used to better your life, to buy weapon. All in the name of to come to the land of Biafra and kill the children of Biafra. Now that money have been wasted. Why won't anger kill you? The money he could have used to better your life, he have used the money to deploy terrorists from other countries, paying them every amount of money, all in the name of to come and kill us. Are they succeed? No. What happened to the money? Wasted. Why with anger, hunger, not kill you? You people think we are here to joke. Give us Biafra. You say no. Conduct referendum. You say no. Let's see how the end will be. Yes. Mama, when begin when no one mama to sleep, no they see sleep. And that is what I want you to know. We are here to restore Biafra. You can't stop us. Eh? You can't stop us. Calculate the amount of money you have wasted for this 10 days of war so far. Yesterday and today, there was nothing like war. I will not count it in. For the past 10 days, how much have you wasted? You are not even one. Are you not fooling yourself? You end up foolish yourself. Everything is not by exaggeration. Everything is not by imagination. Sometimes choose dialogue. For the fact that you beat that person yesterday does not warrant you to think that you can still beat the person today or tomorrow. Changes is a constant in human being. You feel beat person yesterday. For the fact that our fathers agreed to try you one more time and see if Nigeria will be better, does not mean that we can follow the same way of our father. The mistake that kills our father can never kill us. And we have learned from the mistake our father makes. And that is why we say that we can never make the same mistake. So therefore, we have decided never to make the same mistake that killed our father. So when we tell you that we determine to be a free man, we mean every single word that we said. Gather more, you are still going to die. Buy many weapons, you are still going to lose. You came with the latest armor tanker. Are you able to succeed? The money you wasted in buying weapon could have changed the Nigeria economy. It could have given the average Nigerian better life. But because you do not care about them, you want them to die, and they will all die. It's none of our business. You came to our land to kill us. You are the one ending up dying. Sometimes you people call yourself leader, 419 leaders. You don't really think. I don't know if sometimes they remove your brain, human brain away and insert it with an animal brain that you do not even think. Your mind tells you that it's going to be easy for you like that. Never. Never. We say we want to be free. We say we want to be free, and freedom we will get. Freedom is what we are going to get. Freedom is what we are going to get. So therefore, put your effort, put your best together. Your best will be useless in a million times. Biafra must be free.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be smart, Shebi, you don't hear them. Because things are really happening as we dey talk now. But however, we would like more, we'll talk more regarding this video in the comment section. Make sure say you share the video so that other people go come inside and come talk for this video. But however, the Enugu don't tell their governor say we no want this. And when people they talk, they know the reason why whether they talk. You can count almost 50 widows for Enugu today. We be saying na Fulani made them be widow. Why? Because they carry farm, they enter their farm. If the person will get the farm talk, they will just buy the person. This they happen, but nobody is talking about it. Then the governor said now the only option to this, the government of Enugu, the only option to this is get a ranch. Governor, you can build that ranch. You can build that ranch and let people from Enugu do the business. Let people from Enugu do the business. The career cow there, it will become a government business, but let people from Enugu handle the business. Since these people have agenda in Nigeria, Enugu should trend very, very conscious on doing such a thing, such a mistake. However, my people, we will still leave you. May you contribute put for the matter regarding wetin dey go on as e dey hot now. We'll quickly see you for the next update.